Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing how I make this bracelet. So I got these spacer beads from Hobby Lobby and they were half off. They were only $1. They're plastic, so when you go looking for them, keep in mind that they're not metal. I got this elastic string, and the elastic string I think was 0.5. I need to go back and look. So I'm just gonna start stringing the beads on, trying to figure out if, these are the right spaces for it. Make sure there's a ruler, and you don't even, if it's just for you, you can just measure your wrists with the string. So now I have almost a full string of beads. I'm using 8mm crackle glass beads. And then I'm going to actually use some jump rings as like another type of, like to add aesthetic to it, to make it look nice. I'm using it like a charm or like a spacer, uh, a spacer bead. And I'm putting like 10 of them. So you see how pretty it looks, especially with that shiny, bright jump rings. Now I'm just gonna add to the other side. And I want to take a minute to ask you to please like and subscribe um, for more videos. So now I'm like looking for like a bead that will kind of stand out a little bit. Okay, so I actually found 4 beads. These beads I think were from the dollar bead box from a long time ago. Some crystal rondelles. And then I'm gonna add a forgot the name of this gemstone, but it's a gemstone. It's just covered with an glossy finish. So now I'm gonna make a knot. That's one. I'm gonna make a second one. And then I'm actually going to add some glue to it. I'm just using some super glue from Dollar Tree, which works really well. And then I'm going to do another knot. That's number 3. Usually you want to let the glue sit at least for a few hours. But it dries fast, so. Now I'm going to cut the string off. And I'm going to make sure I hide it behind the bead. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I will be adding, I'm obsessed with bracelets, so I'll be adding a bunch of bracelet videos coming up soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.